Orthographic projection methods, first angle and third angle projection. Then we have discussed about orthographic projection. Orthographic projection is a two-dimensional projection. In orthographic projection, it is assumed that observer is at infinite distance and projection lines are parallel to each other and perpendicular to the plane of projection. Then we have discussed first angle projection. Consider two angles. Consider two planes, horizontal plane and vertical plane. X, Y is the reference line, where vertical plane and horizontal plane intersecting each other at 90 degree. When the planes of projection are extended further beyond the reference line, they form four quadrants. The direction of moving for the front view, top view and side view remains same of all the four quadrants. When the object is situated on first quadrant, top view of the object which come below the XY line, and horizontal plane will be rotated clockwise at 90 degree, and front view will be represents above the XY line. In first angle projection method, the object is kept on the first quadrant. The object is between the observer and plane on the projection. The planes of the projection is assumed to be non-transparent. Left hand side view object is projected on the auxiliary vertical plane. The three principles of the plane, horizontal plane and auxiliary vertical plane and vertical plane, perpendicular to each other. Vertical plane is fixed, horizontal plane and auxiliary vertical plane are rotated to bring all the views in the same plane. Left hand side view is drawn on the right side of the front view. To projection side view, draw x1, y1 perpendicular xy line. Draw line at 45 degree to the xy line from point of the intersection. Draw horizontal projectors from the top view to intersect 45 degree line to the point of intersection. Draw vertical projectors. Then we draw horizontal projectors from front view to intersect the vertical projectors, and side view is out them. Right hand side view of an object is projected on the auxiliary vertical plane. Right hand side view is drawn on the left side of the front view. All the view or first angle projection methods are shown in one plane direction of the observation. In third angle projection method, the object is kept on the third quadrant. The plane of projection line in between the observer and object, the planes of the projection is assumed to be transparent. The object is situated on third quadrant. Top view is come above the XY line. HP will be rotated at 90 degree clockwise. Front view is shown below the XY line. Left hand side view is drawn on the left side of the front view. Right hand side view is drawn on the right side of the front view. All the view of third angle projection methods are shown in one plane. The direction of observer in first angle projection, the front view drawn above the XY line. Third angle projection, the front view drawn below the XY line. In first angle projection, top view is below the XY line. In third angle projection, top view is drawn above the XY line. In first angle projection, the left side view is projected on the right plane. In third angle projection, the left side view is projected left plane itself. The first angle projection method is followed in India and European countries, and the third angle projection method is followed in USA and Canada.